So in order to use Laravel command directly on your terminal, you need to install Laravel installer using Composer. Normally we will use Composer to make Laravel projects, but Laravel installer package helps us to use the Laravel command directly on the terminal. So in order to make that work, we have to execute these following commands. By executing this command, it's actually installing a package in this following location. But this folder needs to be globally accessible. For that, we need to enter this folder path inside the system environment variable. To automate this process, we are going to enter a following command inside the terminal. It is done. Now we can able to create our project very easily using the Laravel commands. And of course, Laravel commands will directly work right now. As you guys can see, it works very well. Now you can proceed to create your project. But if you are new to Laravel, then let me show you how we can create a project in the next video.